さん、Miss P です。Hello everyone, I'm Miss P. How are you everyone? Finally we welcome summer! It's very hot in here. I cannot take this hot weather. However, I hope all of you are safe and well. So today, I'm going to teach you integration, level 3. So today we're going to use substitution and integration by parts formula. So here's the problem. Integral of x times inverse tangent of x squared dx. So first of all, we're going to use substitution. So we're going to use t this time because we're going to use u later. So t is equal to x squared. Okay? And then next step, we're going to take a derivative of this one. dt is equal to 2x dx. Okay? So now we want 2x over here like this. That's the point. It's like chain rule. Okay? So how? We're going to put the 2. We're going to multiply by 2 and 1/2. 2 times 1/2 is 1. So 1 is identity number, and we're not going to change the value of expression. So let's do. Is equal to 1/2 integral of 2x times inverse tangent of x squared dx. Okay? So next, we're going to change x variable to t variable like that. Okay, so let's do is equal to 1/2 integral of 2x dx is dt. So I'm going to put dt here. And then inverse tangent x squared, tangent of x squared. X squared is t. So inverse tangent of t, because x squared is equal to t. So now next step, next strategy, we are going to use integration by parts formula. So this one is integral of u dv. So what is u? Okay, so let u is equal to inverse tangent of t. Okay? So next, what is dv? So actually 1 is hiding here. So 1 times dt. So dv is equal to 1 times dt is actually dt. Right? So now next step, we're going to take a derivative of this equation. That is du is equal to 1 over 1 plus t squared dt. Okay? So next, we're going to integrate this one, this equation. That is v is equal to t. Okay? So now we're going to change everything over here. So let's do is equal to 1/2. I'm going to use a parentheses. So uv. So what is uv? U is inverse tangent of t, and v is equal to t. However, I want to bring t in front of inverse tangent of t. So I want to bring t here and tangent inverse of t. since this looks much better, okay? This looks better. So, minus integral of v du. B is t, and du is this one. 1 over 1 plus t squared dt. And parentheses. Okay? So, now, this one is already done. We already integrate this one. However, we're going to change t variable to x variable later. How about this one? This integration. So, this integration, if we take a derivative of 1 plus t squared is what? 2t, right? 2t. So, and this is also chain rule, okay? We want to multiply by 2 and 1/2 because we're not going to change the value of expression. So, this is like a chain rule, okay? So, let's keep going on. So, is equal to 1/2 times t inverse tangent of t, okay? And then next one, 1/2 times negative 1/2. I'm going to write it down over here. Negative 1/2 times 1/2, okay? And then this one, 2t over 1 plus t squared, chain rule, okay? Chain rule. So actually this is ln absolute value of 1 plus t squared plus constant c. Okay? So, now we're going to organize this. We're going to change t variable to go back to x variable. Okay? So, let's do is equal to 1/2 t is x squared, and then inverse tangent of x squared, and then negative 1/2 times 1/2 is negative 1 over 4. And then next, 1 plus t squared. T squared is actually x squared squared, which is x to the 4th power. So this inside of the absolute value is always positive. So we're not going to need absolute value sign. So we're going to use parentheses. ln parentheses 1 plus t squared is x to the 4th power plus constant c. So this is it. Okay? So this is the answer. 1/2 times x squared times inverse tangent of x squared minus 1 over 4 times ln parentheses 1 plus x to the 4th power plus c. So, how was today's lesson? I hope today's lesson was very helpful. So, see you next Monday. Have a nice week. Nice summer actually. Okay, so bye.